I think that young men need a place to go to talk about their mental health issues where they're not going to be judged.
Kicking off for a few minutes, you know, even change, come on, what's the matter?
Yeah, I'll be there now, give me a sec.
You've been like this for ages, come on, you should be over it by now.
No, give me a minute.
Come on, man up.
I mean, if you're not sort of fitting into that macho sort of stereotype image, you could feel like you're not good enough, you're not worth anything. So I think it could be, I feel like there's pressure to sort of fit into that.
I think it probably has something to do with the fact that men don't like talking about their emotions.
I think it just needs that stigma that it's okay to talk about how you're feeling, and you know, you're never too macho, I suppose, to you know, talk about how you're feeling. If you're not feeling okay, then that's fine, and it's okay to talk.
Talk about what we have actually suffered through, and what we show to people that if they've suffered with it as well, that they're not alone with it.